The diagram represents moon in its orbit around the Earth, and which arrow represents the direction of the resultant force acting on the moon. So the moon is in circular motion, all right? Circular motion around the Earth, right? And the only condition, or the most primary condition for an object to be in a circular motion is first of all the centripetal force, right? The first thing is centripetal force. If there is no centripetal force, then object cannot sustain its motion in a circle, right? And then as a reaction to the centripetal force, there will be a centripetal acceleration, right? And why they are called centripetal? Because it is always directed towards the center of the circle of the circular motion. So moon is like doing a circular motion around the Earth, and its center of the circular motion will be the center of the Earth, right? So this circular motion requires the centripetal force and centripetal acceleration, and they are always directed towards the center of the Earth. So the correct option is option A. Option A.